what's up? My name's Fredo. This is my Veloster. I live in Orlando. Been here about 3 years, which is what I've had the Veloster for. I'm from Puerto Rico, and let's start today's video. It's static. A lot of people have asked me, like, it looks low. They've asked me if it was back, but it's static. I just recently lowered it again because of the fenders. I got it 3 years ago when I first moved here, and I got it with only 4,000 miles. Right now I got it up at 60,000 miles, so everything you see on it, I've done to it. Like me and my dad. My dad helps me out a lot on doing anything to this car, really. The first mod I did, I think it was opening up the headlights and blackening everything out. I just see videos all the time and I just felt like I could do it. So I opened them up, painted them, and closed them back up, suit them good. They don't even get humidity in them. Honestly, at first, it was just gonna be a clean daily. Like, I was just gonna lower it, some wheels, and like, that's it. But like, I just got more and more into the car scene here, and people in the meets and shows, and I seen all the crazy cars, and I was like, damn, I gotta step my game up. Like, my vision has been changing throughout time of modding. Started out with just the wheels, like I said, and then now it's like a show car, even though it's still my daily. Yeah, it's not too many around here in Central Florida that are modded. Right at the beginning of COVID-19 is when I got the duckbill. The duckbill's carbon fiber. I got that for my girl. She bought it for Valentine's Day for me. And then after, once I received it, I put it on, I was like, damn, that carbon looks good. I gotta get more. After that, it was like a month and a half, I got the fenders. Next, I was trying to get the hood next, but like, I think I'm satisfied with how it looks, honestly, on the outside. I want to make it fast. To the engine, I don't really have much, just intake, just straight pipe exhaust. The engine's just stock.
No, what I saw a catch can, I saw blow off valve. You're missing stuff, bro.
I got a catch can, but not really too much there.
The exhaust is pretty dope. I'm sure a lot of people want to know what kind of exhaust setup you have. Is it different than the factory?
Yeah.
As far as like location and everything?
That's what gets the most attention out of my car, the exhaust setup, because it's custom. Like the OEM exhaust is in the middle, and I rerouted it to come out the reflectors. I took the reflectors, put some trailer lights down at the bottom. Now I have the exhaust coming out the bumper, like where the reflectors were. And basically it's just straight pipe. I love the way it sounds. The suspension, I have CX Racing coilovers. The wheels, I bought it off my buddy. He had on his Monster Speed 3, but those are Evo 10 wheels. Like, some people, they know they're Evos, they know the wheels. They just like notice right away. They're like, are those Evo 10 wheels? Like, some people think that I have spacers on, but that's really the perfect fitment for my car. 18 by 8.5 plus 35 also. Color, I painted them myself. I did a gunmetal gray, and then I threw a little extra with the clear for those sparkles. The car came with all black leather. I met this kid. He's a pretty good buddy of mine now, but I traded him the interior. He had the red stock interior, and I love the red interior. I've always wanted it. So I was able to trade it with him, and then got steering wheel cover. It's legit a steering wheel cover. People see it and they're like, that's a steering wheel cover? Like, it looks real good, but it's a steering wheel cover. I put it on, I stitched it myself. It has some carbon and then leather. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to my girl for helping me with this. My dad, he's always there helping me build the car. Some of my sponsors, I got 6Speed sponsor, Mishimoto sponsor, Nonstop is my group, they also sponsor me. Just recently got Endless the brand to sponsor me. I got VVash Auto Care to sponsor me. They help with the detailing products. Speed Zone, they're always there. I got my first wheels for Speed Zone, they're always there to help me out. United Creation, they're a really cool group. I hang out with them all the time. The Perfect Fitment group, there's some cool people. Bad Influence, he's a new recent sponsor. He's done a couple photo shoots for me. Modded World's another sponsor. I got that one on the back of the cargo box. My Instagram is JUHN_June_Trepuerta. 3 PUERTA, which is 3 doors for the Veloster.
That's dope. All right, man. Hey, I appreciate you letting me shoot the car, man. Well, happy to hear your story and share it with the world. Appreciate you coming down.
Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to follow me at June Trepuerta. Thank you for watching.